I'm going to make spinach with salmon, alright? So, hello everyone, welcome back to Lexis World. Today I'm going to use carrots. So I have 2 carrots. I may not need both of these, but I'm just going to put them. I have 8 ounces of spinach, alright? So here's my 8 ounces of spinach. Okay. I have 2 avocados. I may not need both, but let's put 2 for sure, okay? And I'm gonna make for my salad. So I have a piece of salmon. I'm gonna use that, avocado, spinach, and I'm gonna make a homemade dressing. Alright? My homemade dressing I'm going to use, of course, I'm gonna use Greek yogurt this time, alright, to make my dressing. Alright, so basically in this video I am going to be using air fryer. I got a new air fryer, as you can see. Okay. It's brand new. I'm going to try it out today for the first time. I'm going to actually make an air fried dish, alright? So we're going to use the fish. I'm going to air fry my fish and I'm going to make my salad. So let's get started. Before we get started, please don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe on my channel, alright? So I'm going to start with my salmon. So I'm going to just wash up my salmon, alright? I'm just going to put a bit of lemon on it to clean it up. Just put a bit of sea salt just to wash it up. So this is just to help clean it up, okay? Putting it just for the season. Alright, so basically I have garlic powder, I have black pepper, and I have this special sauce. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of garlic powder. I use less than a half of a teaspoon, okay? So basically what I'm looking for is that garlicky taste anyway. So okay. I have black pepper. I'm gonna put a bit of black pepper. Not much, of course, because I put less than a half of a teaspoon. The reason I'm not gonna put a lot of the black pepper because I'm gonna use that seasoning. I use the garlic powder and a bit of black pepper. I'm going to use just a little bit of the seasoning salt, not a lot. Oh, it's not coming up. Okay. Just a bit. Of course, not much. So this is basically just chili and garlic, fresh chili and garlic, and it's in a sauce. I bought it in the store to try, and I tried it. It was really good. Alright, gonna give it that garlicky taste, which and that's okay. I'm not gonna use a lot. It might be too hot. Alright, it's supposed to have like a red sauce. So I like that redness in it. Okay. So basically, I went somewhere and one of my friends was using this sauce and I just fell in love with it. Like, in love. It was so good. So I'm not gonna use any big set of seasoning except for that, right? Yeah, so this is my salmon. Alright. So we're gonna use my air fryer. So it's on air fry. This is my first video I'm doing with air fry. I didn't use my old air fryer, I used the new one. I put it on seafood and it said 10 minutes, alright? After it's finished, I'm going to put it on a bit of broil because I realized there's broil on it, alright? So now I have my spinach. First I'm going to just clean it a bit. basically what I did is I cooked it on air fry for 10 minutes and then I put it on broil for 10 minutes, but I won't leave it on broil, alright? I'll take it off. My spinach is all washed and ready. I'll let it drain for a bit. I'm only going to use probably 1 carrot, okay? I'll clean my carrots, okay? So I have my 1 carrot. Yeah, I'm not going to use 2, I'll just use the 1, alright? So I'll give it 2 more minutes. So here's my salmon. It's all done. I'll just let it cool here while I make the salad for the salmon, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just dry my spinach for a little bit. So basically, instead of 10 ounces of the spinach, I'll just use 8, okay? Okay, as you see, I only use some of the spinach, so I use like 8 ounces of the spinach, alright? I use the carrots also for some color. And then I'm going to use 1 of the avocado. I'm going to make my dressing and then I'm going to put the salmon so the salmon can cool down a bit, okay? So basically I'm going to blend it a bit, alright? So that's my blender cup. I use a half cup of Greek yogurt, just plain Greek yogurt, no flavor, no vanilla, no strawberry, nothing, just plain. So I'm going to use some olive oil. I use 3 tablespoons of olive oil and it's the virgin olive oil I use. So I have honey. I use 1.5 tablespoons of honey, right? I used a half of a lemon. I'm going to put a bit of sea salt, the taste. What I'm going to add is a tablespoon or 2 of the cranberries. I have dry cranberries. So instead of giving it too much of the sweet, I put a tablespoon of dry cranberry. And I'm going to blend it for a little bit. Alright. So what I did, I blend everything together and I let it stay for a bit so it can get a little bit loose, alright? Because I didn't want to add any water. So this is it, what I say. So this is my new air fryer. Of course, I got it from Mother's Day last year. I'm only now using it. I kind of like it because my old air fryer, it's a Ninja, and I have to keep like flipping, all right? So with this one, it was so easy. I just put it in and leave it like that, all right? So I have Parmesan cheese. So I put a bit of Parmesan cheese. So here's my salad. Spinach salmon, okay, with avocado and carrots. Alright, and this is my dressing. So this dressing, it have a little sweet sour taste to it. Alright, and that's it. So of course it's a healthy meal. All I use is a bit of the garlic powder and black pepper. And this is the garlic with chili that I used. I got it in the Chinese grocery store. I saw one of my friends using it and I wanted to try it. Alright, so I guess with this, basically you don't need any other seasoning. Okay, of course it's a healthy meal. Salmon, air fried salmon, I should say. My first video with air fryer. Alright, I have an air fryer, but I didn't want to use it. I thought I wanted a better air fryer. I got this one last year. Is it last year or this year? But this was my Mother's Day present. Or is it my birthday? I don't remember. Either my birthday or Mother's Day. And of course, you have your protein and everything here. You don't need anything. Avocado is your fat. So you don't need any rice. A healthy salad. I put some lemon on the side in case. Thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to please like, share, and subscribe on my channel.